Okay, so International Academy of Excellence video on subtracting fractions with unlike denominators, okay? So let's say you have 9 over 4 minus 9 over 8, which is basically 9/4 minus 9/8. First thing you're going to have to do, obviously, is you're going to have to find common denominator so that you can subtract, because you can't subtract or add fractions if the denominators are different. So first thing I see right here is my largest number is 8, and I'm going to ask myself, can 4 divide into 8? Yes, it can. So we can just use 8 as our common denominator. Now, how many times does 8 divide into 8, or what times 8 gives you 8? 1. Okay, and then 1 times 9 is 9. All right, what times 4 gives you 8? 2. And then 2 times 9 is 18. And now we know that 18 minus 9 is going to give us 9. And our denominator is 8. Now, some problems will tell you to keep that as your final answer. But if they tell you to make sure you write the number as a proper fraction or as a mixed number, then you're going to divide 8 into 9 to get your final answers. But you have to make sure, because some times they say this is your final answer and you don't have to do anything else. If they do want you to do something else, then you do your equal sign and you divide 8 into 9, and we already know it's going to go one time. 1 times 8 is 8. We have a 1. We have to write this remainder as a fraction. So we do 1, and what do we do for our denominator? Whatever is over here, that's the denominator. That's an 8, so then the denominator is 8. And the final answer is 1 and 1/8. But just to note, sometimes they want you to just let this be your final answer. Okay, so subtracting fractions with unlike denominators, round 1.